All right, guys, look, Blaine is on vacation over in Tokyo. I had asked him to bring me back some spices. I'm going to get some protein. He should be back within about 48 hours or so. I got a surprise for him. We're gonna cook something up and make a new recipe. It's gonna be awesome, guys.
How about Japan? Amazing. Amazing! Alright, so we're here in the Yugaoka neighborhood in Tokyo. We're also out of the Kishindo Spice Market. We're gonna see if we can't go in there and get some custom spice blends to bring back to Grill Master Randy. Let's go. I'm thinking we're gonna go with the steak mix, as well as a barbecue mix, and Japanese style chicken. That way Randy has an array of seasonings, so whatever recipe he decides to make with it, he should be good to go. All right, so we got the spices. Now we just got to get them back to Grill Master Randy.
Hey, he made it.
Nice
How's it going?
Oh man, it's good, brother. It's good, man.
How was Japan?
It was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. I got your seasoning blends as requested.
Hey, look, turns out we got some beautiful short ribs that I had marinated overnight for you, man,
Nice.
expecting your arrival.
Uh-oh.
I'm thinking that the barbecue blend should be perfect for that.
Oh yeah. I think
My
so.
coals are hot. Let's get them dusted and get them on, man.
Sounds good, brother. Yeah. This is kind of like a dry rub type situation.
It is, but you know, like, well, we won't treat it as that. We're not really going for low and slow here.
Right.
I'm gonna do it, kind of give it a quick sear, some high heat.
Right.
Basically just using it as a seasoning.
Kind of like you would with a steak or something like that.
Exactly, sure.
Yeah.
So man, look, I got it set up for some nice kind of Asian wraps with all the fixings here. I even made a homemade sauce for it. Before we get into that, I definitely think we should take it off the bone just to try the rub that you had brought to us, see how it is. I can dig it.
Thank you so much for this. This is like the best welcome home present I could ever imagine.
Come
man.
on,
I
man.
appreciate it. Yeah. Recipe's amazing. Lettuce wraps are amazing. Ribs are amazing. You did such an amazing job on the recipe. The marinade's delicious. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, my man. Welcome home.
Oh, amazing.